Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So today let us start chapter 2, estimation. So estimation means rounding of numbers to nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest thousands, 10,000s, etc. So exercise 2a, in that first question, round off each of the following to the nearest 10. In that first one, 62. So you have to round off to nearest 10. So what is the rule? If you are rounding off to nearest 10, see the digits at ones place. Okay, if you are rounding off to nearest 10, see the digit at ones place. If the ones place digit is less than 5, if it is less than 5 means replace the digit at ones place by 0 and all other digits you can put the same. Okay, all other digits remains the same. Okay, that is the rule. So here ones place digit is 2, which is less than 5. So what to do? Replace this 2 by 0 and other digits, remaining digits, it remains the same. So 62 on rounding off to nearest 10, it will be 60. Okay, second one, 265. So you have to round off to nearest 10. So see the digit at ones place. Here it is 5. Okay. So if the digit at ones place is equal to, greater than or equal to 5. So what we do is replace ones place digit by 0 and then add 1 to tens place digit. വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് 5 5 കൂടുതലോ ഉള്ള നമ്പർ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റിനെ 0 വെച്ച് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുക. ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ 6 വിൽ ചേഞ്ച് ടു 6 + 1 7. ഓൾ അതർ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് റിമെയിൻസ് ദ സെയിം. ബാക്കി എല്ലാ ഡിജിറ്റ്സും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. സോ 265 will be 270. Rounding off to nearest to 10, you will get 270. Okay, less than 5 case, just replace ones place digit by 0. All other remaining digits remains the same. Okay, greater than or equal to 5 means ones place digit is greater than or equal to 5 means add 1 to tens place digit and replace ones place digit by 0. Remaining digits, all other digits remains the same. Okay. In that seventh question, 72,326. You have to round off to nearest 10. So what to do? See the digit at ones place. It is greater than 5. So if ones place digit is greater than 5 means what to do? Replace ones place digit by 0 and add 1 to tens place digit. So 2 will become 2 + 1 3. Okay, remaining digits remains the same. You can write as they are. So 7 2 3. 72,330 is the answer. Okay, 72,326 on rounding off to nearest 10, it will be 72,330. Okay. Second question, round off each of the following to the nearest 100. In that first one, 748. So here you have to round off to nearest 100. Okay. So what to do is see the digit at tens place. Okay. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, then what to do is replace tens place digit and ones place digit by 0. And other digit, all other digit remains the same. Okay, so here at 100 place 7 will come. So 748 on rounding off to nearest 100, it will be 700. Okay. Now second one, 784. You have to round off to nearest 100. So see the digit at tens place. Here 8 is coming and it is greater than 5. So if the digit at a tens place is equal to or greater than 5, what to do is replace tens place digit and ones place digit by 0, and hundreds place digit you can add 1 to that. 7 will become 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, if you are rounding off to nearest 100, see the digit at a tens place. If the tens place digit is greater than or equal to 5, then what to do is replace tens place digit and ones place digit by 0 and add 1 to hundreds place digit. That is the rule. Tens place digit 5 or 5 in a greater or ആയിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പർ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റും വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റും 0 വെച്ച് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം. ദെൻ യു ക്യാൻ ആഡ് 1 to hundreds place digit. Hundreds place ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. So 7 will become 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer will be 800. Okay, greater than or equal to 5 വരുമ്പോഴാണ് ഇത് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. If it is less than 5 means you follow this rule. That is replace tens place digit and ones place digit by 0. Remaining digits, all other digit you can put the same. Okay. In that sixth one, 59,237. You have to round off to nearest 100. So see the digit at a tens place. It is 3, which is less than 5. So what to do? Replace tens place digit and ones place digit by 0. Remaining digit, all other digit you can put the same. So 59,200 will be the answer. Okay, less than 5 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ tens place digit. ലെസ് ദാൻ 5 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റും വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റും 0 വെച്ച് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുക. അതർ ഡിജിറ്റ് വേറെ ഡിജിറ്റ്സൊക്കെ അതേപോലെ തന്നെ എഴുതാം. സോ 59,200 you will get. Okay. Now third question. Round off each of the following to the nearest 1000. In that first one, 6,475. So here you have to round off to nearest 1000. So see the digit at hundreds place. If you are rounding off to nearest 1000, see the digit at hundreds place. Okay. If the hundreds place digit is less than 5, then what to do is replace hundreds place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit by 0, and other digit you can remain the same. 6 itself come here. So 6,475 on rounding off to nearest 1000 it will be 6,000. Okay. Next second one, 6,732. You have to round off to nearest 1000. So see the digit at hundreds place. It is 7 here. Okay. If the digit at hundreds place is greater than or equal to 5, then what to do is replace hundreds place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit by 0 and add 1 to thousands place digit. So 6 will become 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Hundreds place digit ഉള്ളത് 5 5 കൂടുതലോ ഉള്ള നമ്പർ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ്, ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ്, വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് 0 വെച്ച് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം. ദെൻ തൗസൻഡ്സ് പ്ലേസ് ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ദ ആൻസർ വിൽ ബി ഹിയർ ദ ആൻസർ വിൽ ബി 7,000. ഓക്കെ. ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് സിക്സ്ത് വൺ, 83,294. You have to round off to nearest thousands. So see the digit at hundreds place. Here it is 2. 2 is less than 5. If the digit at hundreds place is less than 5, then what to do is replace hundreds place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit by 0, and other digits you can put the same, they remains the same. So 83 itself come here. Okay, so the answer will be 83,000. Okay, now fourth question, round off. In that fourth one, 32,974 to nearest 10,000. So here you have to round off this number 32,974 to nearest 10,000. Okay, so if you are rounding off to nearest 10,000, see the digit at a thousands place. Okay, if thousands place digit is less than 5, then what to do? Replace thousands place digit, hundreds place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit by zeros, and other digits, all other digit, it remains the same. So here 3 itself you can write. So the answer will be 30,000. Okay, next in that fifth one, 27,487 to nearest 10,000. Here you have to round off this number 27,487 to nearest 10,000. If you are rounding off to nearest 10,000, see the digit at thousands place. 7 is coming here, and if the digit at a thousands place is greater than or equal to 5, then what to do is replace thousands place digit, hundreds place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit by zeros, and add 1 to 10,000 place digit. So 2 will become 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, thousands place digit 5 or 5 in a kudalo number anandagi, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place 0 which replace here. 10,000 place digit in doppam 1 add here. So you will get 30,000 as answer here. Okay, thousands place digit less than 5 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 5 ലെസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പർ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place digit 0 ആയിട്ട് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം. ദെൻ അതർ ഡിജിറ്റ്, ബാക്കി വരുന്ന എല്ലാ ഡിജിറ്റ്സും സെയിം തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ആൻസർ 30,000. Okay. Seventh question, list all the numbers which can be rounded off to 30. So you have to write all the numbers which can be rounded off to 30. So the number starts from 25. 25 on rounding off to nearest 10, it will be 30. Then 26, 27, 28, 29, then 31, 32, 33 and 34. All these numbers on rounding off to nearest tens, it will be 30. Okay. Next, ninth question, write the smallest and the largest numbers which are rounded off to 90. So you know all the numbers which are rounded off to 90 are 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, then 91, 92, 93 and 94. Now among this number, which is the smallest one? Smallest equal to 85. Okay, among this number, which is the largest one? Largest is 94. So these are the answers. Smallest number which are rounded off to 90 is 85, and largest number which are rounded off to 90 is 94. Okay. In that 10th one, write the smallest and the largest numbers which are rounded off to 130. 130. So the numbers which are rounded off to 130 are, that you can find, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, then 131, 132, 133 and 134. These are the numbers which are rounded off to 130. Okay. So among this, which is the smallest one? Smallest it is 125 and the largest it is 134. So these are the answers. Okay.